In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group videos in CapCut PC. If you need to link multiple video clips together so you can move them around on your timeline without messing up their spacing, this is one of the easiest and most useful tools to learn in CapCut PC. Grouping helps keep everything organized, especially when you're working with several clips that need to stay in the same position relative to each other. To begin, you'll want to select the clips you want to group. On your timeline, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click each video clip you want to include. This is a great option if the clips are separated or if you only want to choose specific ones. Another easy method is to click and drag a selection box directly over the clips on your timeline. Once they're highlighted, you'll know they're selected and ready for the next step. Take a moment here to make sure you've chosen exactly the clips you want, because whatever is highlighted will be included in the group. Once your clips are selected, it's time to group them. Right-click on any one of the highlighted clips to open the menu. From there, move down and click Group. CapCut will instantly link those selected clips together. If you want a faster shortcut, you can also press Ctrl and G on your keyboard. That does the same thing and can save you time if you use grouping often while editing. Now that your clips are grouped, you can move them together on the timeline. Click and drag any clip inside that group and you'll notice that all the linked clips move at the same time. This is really helpful because it keeps their exact timing and spacing intact. So instead of adjusting each clip one by one, you can treat them like a single unit and reposition them quickly and cleanly. One important thing to keep in mind is that grouping links clips for easier movement and organization, but it does not combine them into one actual clip file. If you want them to behave more like one single clip block, right-click the selection and choose Create Compound Clip instead. That's useful in situations where you want an even cleaner timeline or a more unified editing block. And that's it. You now know how to group videos in CapCut PC, so you can keep your timeline organized and move multiple clips together without losing their alignment.